Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video today I am doing a get ready with me with a ton of new makeup products that I recently bought, and I'm very excited to show you guys. My hair is having its own day today. But yeah, so this is a video pretty much of first impressions of a lot of things. Some stuff I've used before, whatever. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you like it, and follow all of my social medias. I have my makeup Instagram, I have a regular Instagram, and I have my Twitter, and everything else is linked down below. And I'm blabbing, so enjoy the video, you guys. So starting out, we're gonna moisturize our lips. Let's see. I am using the Revlon Kiss Exfoliating Balm. So, let's see. Pretty much all the products are new, like I said. A lot of them are Revlon because with my job, I actually got to go to a Revlon training and we learned a lot about new Revlon makeup products that are coming out, or that are out. Revlon Almay. So yeah, I got a lot of that kind of stuff, but I've also been shopping too much at Ulta. It's not that new, but I kind of new. It's like 2 or 3 weeks old. And this is the Too Faced Hangover RX Coconut Milk, Coconut Water Primer. That's what this is. I used to love this stuff when I had really dry skin. It's really cool. I like it. It smells really good and it's really hydrating. So I'm going to start off with the foundation, and I just picked this one up, and this is the Revlon Super Stay Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. Mine is in the color 120 Classic Ivory. I don't know if it's the right color. It might be too dark. I'm not sure. But recently I've actually been using the Huda Beauty foundation, the faux filter I think it is. And I love that foundation. It's actually really good. I do have to put on like 2 layers of it, but it's still really good. And then I'm going to blend it in with my beauty blender, and this is the beauty blender or the beauty sponge from Eco Tools. I don't know how you say it. I love this one because of the side better than the beauty blender, because I don't like doing this on my face. I like this. It's orange. It doesn't look like it is, but it looks very orange to me. So for the first layer, it's not bad, but I have seen better coverage. So I'm just going to do a few more pumps and see how well it really can cover my face. Okay, so yeah, like I said, it's not like terrible coverage. It actually covered pretty well, but it's very orange. I don't think you can tell on camera, but it's extremely orange for me. Okay, now my brows are done. They always look so insane when I only have foundation. Some eyebrows done. I have 3 new palettes that I want to use, or 4 kind of. So I'll show you these 2 first. These 2 are the Almay Palette Pops, and I have in 10 and 20. 10 I just bought at Walmart because it's really pretty natural, neutral shades, whereas 20, okay, well, actually 10 is called Naturalista and 20 is called Fabulista. And then I have the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions eyeshadow palette. These are amazing. I'm obsessed. I'm going to buy her big palette because. And then I just got this last night, and this is the Tartelette Toasted palette. If you couldn't tell, I really like my warm eyeshadows. Oh, really good. Oh, okay. But I've been wanting to get this one since it was announced that they were having it, because I love Tarte shadows. They're really good. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Clearly it's gonna be a warm look. I think we're gonna start with, well, actually, we're going to start with my MAC paint pot and Painterly to prime the eyes. Okay, so now I take my, oh gosh, deluxe crease brush from Real Techniques, and I just put it in. Probably shouldn't put it in there, probably should take it out, but whatever. So I think I'm gonna go in with Cashmere, which is this shade down here, and put that in my crease, just kind of as like a blending. Okay, so there's a lot of fallout, if you can't tell. Like, that's weird. I haven't had that problem with any Tarte, like, before. Tarte, what do you call them? Shadows? So that's a little weird to me. There's a lot. And then I'm gonna go in with Latte, which is this shade down here. It's like a darker brown, light. There's a lot of fallout, which I'm quite shocked about. And I'm just gonna put this in my outer corner. So now I'm gonna go in with Cozy, which is this color right here. And this is a Morphe MB46 brush. And I'm just gonna pick that up. And I'm putting this just in my outer corner. And then I'm going to go in with an M411 brush and Fireside, which is the darkest color in the whole palette. And I'm just going to put this on my, like, outer V. Alright, so there's that. It's very messy, you can tell. So there we go. And then I'm going to go in with the Almay shadow. What was this one? Palette Pops, and this one's in 20. And I'm actually going to go in with this black on a very tiny brush, and this is the M507 brush from Morphe. And I just barely want it to be on my brush. Where is my... And just gonna put this on my outer corner, like, man, where did the product go? Just on like my lower lash line, like just my lash line here, and then up a little bit into the crease. And then going back in with the brush that you used, like the medium-ish shade in, and blending it out. Take my matte paint pot and Painterly and do a half cut crease. Not really half cut crease, but just to clean this up so that it's brighter when I put on this shade from the Almay 10 neutral palette, neutralistic palette. And then I'm going to go in with this shade, like I said, with a very small precision brush. The Almay shades are pretty good. They just don't have a whole ton of pigmentation. Oh, this one does, actually. Alright, and then going back in with the smallest brush, and going back in with Cozy, which is this one. And just blending all of this together so there's no harsh lines. Okay, so this is what it looks like after I semi-cleaned it up. I had to clean it up again with Bioderma. And then I'm just going to take this Maybelline Master Precise liquid liner, and just do one small-ish line on the top. Alright, and then I'm going to curl my lashes, put on mascara, and put on my lashes. And the lashes I'm going to use are Iconic Light from House of Lashes. Alright, so lashes are done and mascara. Hey. So the mascara I use is the Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. This is like my favorite mascara I've ever bought in my entire life. It's amazing. And then we're going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer. And this one's in Fair Neutral. And we're just going to conceal under my eyes. Go back in with my beauty blender, beauty sponge thing. And then all of it. And to set my concealer, I need a new one. It's the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. So we're going to go back to the eyes, and I'm actually going to go back in with the Tarte Toasted palette, and I'm going to take Warmth and Cozy, so these two, Cozy and Warmth, on the small 5M07 brush, M507 brush. I like to use this, and this is from Revlon, by the way. It's just the 2 mirrors. And then gonna go back in with Fireside, which is the darkest color, and just put this on the outer corner and like the outer V, just so they connect. And for the inner corner highlight, I'm going to take Candle, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to put that just in the inner corner. Now going in for a face, I'm going to use my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. But I had this for so long, and honestly I probably should throw it away. But I have yet to hit pan. And I use it literally use it all the time. Like, I'm not even kidding, I use it almost every day. I'm just taking a Morphe brush, it's like super round. I don't even know. Right, where do you put bronzer usually? In the middle. And then for blush, this isn't new either, but this is the Tarte Parte blush that I got in like the birthday set that you get, I think at, I don't know if it's Sephora or Ulta. It's one of those. Same brush. And just my current fave highlighter palette, which is the Smashbox. This is the Casey Holmes highlighting palette, and this one is in gold, pearl. Okay. And I'm going to take a Luxe highlight brush from Zoeva, and I go through all 3 shades. And then I just highlight. This pimple, I did not mean to highlight the pimple. And for the second to last new thing that I just got these in the mail, and this is the MAC Strip Down Lip Liner, and it's a lot browner than I was expecting, so I'm not a huge fan too much, but I love lip liners, so I'm gonna keep it. So I'm gonna line my lips, and then I'm going to figure something out with the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Ooh, that was a weird noise. This is the lip palette, and this is going to be so good for clients, when I have clients, because I hate using my liquid lipsticks on clients, or like I had these two also, and I hate using those kind of things on people because I use them on myself. It's kind of goes in the just like a little bit. Whoa. So yeah, I'm gonna line my lips with Strip Down, and then I will figure out a color combo for this. So I took 1 and 6. Oh, 1 and 6. This is 1 and this is 6. And this is what they look like here. And now I'm going to mush them together and see what we get. It's gonna be very brown. Just realizing. It's very nude. Kinda like. It's pretty. This is the finished look. I'm just gonna spray one more time and then I will show you, yeah. So this is the finished product look. I like it. I like it. Very bronzy and pretty. I really like it. It came out good. I really like it. I feel like I'm at like a hairdresser, and like, you know, when you have to act like you like it but you actually hate it, and the camera's gonna die. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, follow all of my social medias. They're down below. It's like Instagram and Twitter and I think Snapchat I have down below. And Tumblr, but I don't even use my Tumblr anymore, which is like... but I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And I will see you in the next one.